Ecoppia, the world's leader in solar panel cleaning with unparalleled experience of cleaning over 150 million panels, is proud to introduce the Ecoppia T4, the world's first water-free, fully autonomous robot for solar sites using trackers technology. The T4 keeps solar arrays clean and producing at peak rates year-round without any use of water, electricity, or operators, removing 99% of panel soiling every day. Each light-weighted robot is assigned to a solar array, utilizing special microfiber and controlled airflow to remove the tiniest dust particles while remaining safe for the sensitive panels and the anti-reflective coating. Fully autonomous and energy independent, each robot has its own solar panel and self-cleaning mechanism. In between cleanings, the robots are securely locked in their dedicated bays outside the array, avoiding shading and protected from winds. Smart and connected, the T4 is remotely managed and features real-time analytics and weather intelligence that enables it to respond to changing conditions, significantly raising output while reducing maintenance and operations costs. The T4 radically transforms the way solar sites are operated, allowing developers to remain competitive and shorten the overall payback on their investment. T4, another game-changing robotic solution by Ecoppia. Ecoppia, empowering solar.